Hello, today we'll be demoing the centerline auto stakeout function of Trimble Access Mines. Either using points in the mine or in a design file, Mines will automatically calculate points to stake out along the centerline. The auto stake timer delivers efficiency to the surveyor by eliminating the need for manual pointing. Points stored while using this function can be used later to stake out pivot points. To stake out a centerline, either click on the line or access the function from the menu. Choose your start and end points, either from a file or by measuring them on the job site. Change the distance interval that points will be placed at along the line, edit your horizontal and vertical offsets from the original line, or choose to extend past the original start and stopping points. Choose a naming convention. We suggest using P if you plan on utilizing those points for pivot points later on, as well as a code. Fine-tune your point tolerances, your EDM settings, and choose whether or not to store these points. The SX12 will start staking the points that have been calculated in Trimble Access Mines by pointing a green laser onto the mine back, or the ceiling of the mine. It will space the points by the interval we defined and at the pace that we chose in the EDM settings. This allows the surveyor to mark points as fast as they choose. Once completed, Mines will give you a breakdown of the points that it hit and missed, and you can continue with your survey.